Hey guys, welcome back to the Forge. In this video, I'd like to just talk about what it is I do in the workshop and what I want these videos to be about, and also what I'm going to make in this video. I'm going to make one of these in this video. What I want to start doing is doing videos about what I do as an artist blacksmith. There's loads of videos on hammers and all sorts of stuff on the internet and on YouTube and stuff, so whether or not this is going to work I don't know. Maybe no one's interested, but hopefully some people are, and I'm going to start showing you like things like when I make gates and railings and some of my sculptural work, so that should be really cool hopefully. And this is a piece for a set of railings that I'm making. There's 40 of these to make, and it's a little sample. I'm not quite 100% happy with this sample, so I'm going to make another one today. I'm going to try and do as much of this by hand as I can, but these tenons I'm going to do using the power hammer. So let's get on. So our first job is to mark up the stock. This is 25 by 25 or inch square. It's 150mm long. Oh, I don't know what that is in inches. Just under 6 inches long. So the first job is to find the middle. I like to mark both sides just to kind of gauge me in the middle. Take a square, draw me a line, and then find the centre, 12.5. Go from one side and then another, like so. And then I'm going to take this is my slit and chisel that I'm using. It's made of spring steel for the truck. I'm just going to find the centre of that. That just used to be. So I can find it when it's hot. Let's get in the fire. So where I've punched a hole, this side is slightly to one side than the other, and it's even worse on the other side. It means I went slightly diagonally, but it's alright, it's not a problem. What I can do is if I quench the side I don't want to move, i.e. the small side, so I'm going to quench this side off using water. When I come to punch this through, drift this through, it'll forge this side over. But what will end up happening is this might bend up a bit, but I'll straighten that out afterwards. so the hole's much more central now. So I specially made this drift. It's 20mm round at the centre, and I want the holes to be 21.2. They're a pipe size that's got to go through the hole and then have a little grub screw fix it on. So we specially made this for drifting. Okay, so the next job is to mark up for the tenons. Now this is the width of the railings. And I'll pop that in the centre there, or what looks like the centre at least anyway. Yep. Take a piece of chalk. Just mark these sides off. Here and here. And grab a square. I never forget something. Square, just place it up against here, and concentration tongue on the go there. And the same on this side. And basically what I need to do now is mark this on all four sides, because what I want to do is use a centre punch to mark the edges, so I can take this back over to the fly press and butcher in ever so slightly so I can start the tenons. Now these tenons want to be 16mm, and I've got a little trick under the power hammer where I use a 16mm spacer just to keep everything nice and true. So first things first, let's punch these holes. Not punch the holes, centre dot these. I'll see them then when the chalks come off in the fire. The closer to the corner you can get, like so, the better, because you'll be able to feel it as well then. Okay, so I've got 2 marks there, 2 marks there, 2 there, 2 there, and I'm going to take it over to the fly press with a Blacksmith's health grin and mark those up. thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. It's a repeatable thing anyway, so it's pretty much the same. There's going to be loads of jig work with this job, so when it comes around to it, there'll be setting up with a fly press, marking the holes hot, and then punching the holes with a power hammer, and you know, all those sorts of things. And we should just hopefully be able to smash 40 out in a day. I hope we'll do it with the gas, so we'll see. Yeah, all that's left now to do is drill the hole. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Like and subscribe. Cheers, thanks, bye bye.